as soon as I turn the camera on. Hey everybody, it's Travis and welcome back to my kitchen. And today we're going to talk about Hatch chilies. That's right. Sought far and wide by people in grocery store parking lots everywhere where they have big roasters. But let's say you get them like this. You know, just like a regular chili at the store, and you don't want to roast it yourself, so what else can you do with it? Well, besides just eating it raw, which I do kind of recommend, you can pickle it. So today we're going to do Hatch chilies, the pickling. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button right down there. I'm a home cook and a filmmaker, and I make these videos to share my tips and experiences with you. I have 12 Hatch chilies, and I'm going to put them in these jars. They're 12-ounce like canning jars. Get them at Target, Tuesday morning, garage sale, your grandma's basement, who knows. But they're the perfect size for, you know, filling with chilies, put the pickling liquid in, and then they're going to be delicious. But I have 2 cups vinegar, 3 cups water. I have 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. You're going to handle hot peppers like Hatch chilies, jalapenos, or anything. I recommend using gloves. Latex, non-latex, doesn't matter. So it'll protect your fingers, protect your eyes, your nose, anywhere you stick your fingers. I don't like the way that sounded, but it's true. So I've got the water, vinegar, and 2 garlic cloves boiling right here. Got a few black peppercorns here. And put these in the bottom of the jars, along with some coriander seeds. That's a new one for me. I just happen to have some, so I'm going to put them in and see what happens.
Once you put the coriander, black pepper in the bottom of the jars, slice the peppers. I like about a 1/4 inch slice, a little thicker, a little meatier, but you can do thinner if you want. And seeds and all, the only thing I don't use is the tops. And then you want to stuff the jars as tight as you can, all the way to the top. This was 12 chilies, it filled 4 jars. It's kind of an approximate, it depends on how big your chilies are, how big your jars are. You might need an extra jar, you might need extra chilies. You never know. And if one's not full, that's fine. If you have extras, you can find a way to eat them. I once had a dream to become a hand model. Alright, you want to get your liquid out of the pan and into a measuring cup with a spout or a ladle, whatever works better for you. I like to use the measuring cup and fill them all the way to the top. Sometimes I make a little extra liquid, kind of keep it handy just in case, because sometimes I run out, sometimes you have too much. It's all approximate, but it's close. Then you want to take slices of white onion, 1 slice per jar, and cover the top. Top off all the jars, onions on top, and then you do the canning lids. The inside lid first. If it overflows a little, that's okay. Make sure they're all screwed on tight. Those white onions, by the way, are delicious once this is all pickled. They're spicy and crunchy. Good stuff. See, I could have been a great hand model.
And that's it. You leave them on the counter for a few hours or overnight, and put them in the fridge to cool, and then take the jars, you crack them open, and enjoy. Here we go, moment of truth. Okay. Okay. There's our yummy onion. Peppers underneath. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Salty. The kick of the Hatch chili. Do it. You'll love it. Make your grandma proud. And there you have it. Pickled Hatch chilies. They're delicious. You can get them on sandwiches. You can eat them on salads. You can just eat them right out of the jar. That's what I do. So if you like this video, give me a like, give me a follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everybody, it's Travis and welcome back to my kitchen. And today, again, we're going to talk about these wide mouth You put the pickling, you put the pickling, God, I can't say pickling. And then put a slice of white onion on top. And that's it. On sandwiches, on any pasta flour.